Good evening. My name is Quentin, and I am the Ride to Conquer Cancer team captain for Team Q. I would like to take this opportunity and thank each and every one of you for your support and your generous donation. Thanks to you, Team Q has raised over $3,400. Thank you very much. As a token of our appreciation, everyone that donated from July to November 30th, your names have been entered into a draw for a couple of nice prizes donated by our team members. So, without further ado, Annika, let's see who the winners are. The first prize is a prepaid $50 Visa card. Annika, let's see.
What's that?
And the winner is Rosita Lim. Congratulations, you have won a $50 Visa prepaid gift card.
And for the wonderful cake gift card.
The second prize is a $25 keg gift card. And the winner is...
Jamie Noda.
Jamie Noda. Congratulations, you have won a $25 keg gift card. So congratulations to all, and thank you again for your support. I am also excited to announce from December 1st to December 16th, Team Q will be running our first ever team charity raffle, with the grand prize being a $1,500 Simmons Beater Rest queen size mattress set with a beautiful luxurious pillow top on it. Tickets are only $25, and we hope you support us again and participate in our holiday charity raffle, with all proceeds going to the BC Cancer Foundation. And hopefully you'll be sleeping on an amazing Simmons Beater-esque mattress set before Santa Claus arrives. So, on behalf of Jason Sue, Mark Potter, Ulysses Yan, Susan Hardy, Doug Hardy, and myself, thank you for standing by us. Annika, take it away.